If you want to make a jigsaw, start by taking a photo.
Goldfish live in cold water, so you don't need to heat the aquarium.
Shake the device if you want to make 20 pieces.
Collies are sheepdogs with long hair, a fine mane, and small ears.
Shake the device if you want to make a jigsaw. 4 pieces.
Bichon Frise are little white dogs with curly hair.
Shake the device if you want to make a jigsaw. Four pieces. Great! The longer you shake it for, the more pieces you will have. Try again.